In this video, we will present to you the block for receiving emails using the workflow for importing into document management system. You or your support provider can use this feature to design a simple workflow that will receive emails and attachments into your document management system. Additionally, by configuring classifications, you can start the transaction process. Let's look at an example. You've received an email in a special mailbox and would like to store its content and all attachments in your document management system. You no longer have to print attachments, scan them, and then send them into document management system. Instead, you can simply run the appropriate workflow, and the program will automatically store the content and attachments of the received email in the document management system. All of that is possible because of an appropriately designed workflow. The workflow is configured to receive all emails from the special mailbox and classify them in the document management system. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.